Getting a new phone is undoubtedly exciting, but the process of switching Android phones can be challenging for some. Android devices contain various data types, and to optimize the experience on your new device, it's crucial to figure out how to switch Android phones with caution. Part 2. How to switch Android phone with Transfer for Mobile Instant. Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac is highly capable of handling these tasks. This utility empowers you to transfer data seamlessly between Android and Android. How can I switch my phone to another phone via Mobican Transfer for Mobile? Step 1. Set up and launch the tool on your computer. Step 2. Confirm the phone positions. Step 3. Begin data transfer to the new Android phone. Part 3. How to switch Android phone to another one via Android backup and restore. When transitioning between phones, it's essential to safeguard crucial items by transferring them to your computer. Mobican Backup Manager for Android, another name is Android Backup and Restore, provides this capability. Install the software, connect the source Android, and tap Backup. Select file types, choose a storage location, and click Backup. Disconnect the source, connect the target, tap Restore. Select Backup Type S and click Restore for data transfer. Part 4. How to switch to new Android phone via Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your old Android. Navigate to Settings, Backup. Add your Google account. Select Data Types and tap Start Backup. Log into Google Drive on your new Android. Access backups to download desired data. Part 5. How to change Android phones using ADB backup. Enthusiastic users may be aware that ADB commands offer a method to bypass Android passwords without resorting to a factory reset. This capability can also be employed for transferring data between Android phones. Part 6. How to switch to another phone using Bluetooth. Open Bluetooth. Ensure visibility. Connect to the device with matching keys. For future connections, tap the paired device name. Share data via File Manager by selecting Files, tapping Share. Choose Bluetooth. Accept the transfer confirmation. Part 7. How to switch one phone to another via Smart Switch Samsung only. For Samsung Galaxy phones, Smart Switch simplifies data transfer similarly to Google's method. The app is pre-installed on top Samsung phones. If missing, download it for free from the Google Play Store. FAQs for switching Android phones. Q1. How can I use USB cables to switch photos, videos, and music? Connect source Android to computer. Choose File Transfer. Copy music, photos, videos to PC. Connect destination phone. Repeat to transfer files. Q2. Is there an alternative app to transfer Android SMS and call logs only? Use SMS backup and restore to transfer SMS and call logs between phones over Wi-Fi. It also allows quick deletion of SMS and call history, boosting Android phone speed. Q3. How to move bookmarks and passwords to new Android phone. Use Chrome to effortlessly transfer bookmarks and passwords between Android phones. Activate Smart Lock for passwords in Google Settings to avoid repetitive password entries.